everyone, this is Char's Book Nookery, Usborne Sound Books, Night Sounds. It's got lots of beautiful pictures, beautiful color, just fills every page of this book. Down here it says press the page to hear the sounds. I actually have it turned off at the moment. Right here, you can turn it off or on. This book is $25.95, by the way, Canadian. So, now that we have it on, this one was a little hard to hear earlier. Next page, again, every piece of the page is just beautifully illustrated. So then you have the church bells, the owls, cats purring. Just beautiful color, bright. Kids will love, love, love this book. Look at the colors. So this is another board book. It's got the thicker pages, so it's nice and sturdy. And just something on every page. So very fun for kids, very fun for little ones. And that's the end of the book. So this is Night Sounds with Usborne. And this is Char's Book Nookery with Usborne Books at Home. Thanks for watching, guys.